Welcome to Erin's Design with Wine. I'm Erin Conover-Murray, and today I am in the bathroom of John and Kate Colsard's home. When Kate and I started our selection day, I got tingles in my body because I knew that this is how it would turn out. We had the best time collaborating and developing this design, and so I can't wait to show you this masterpiece. So I'm standing in the shower because this used to be the spot for this big old jetted whirlpool tub. And it was kind of gross. Every time Kate turned it on, it had black gunk coming out of it. And the kids loved to take a bath. So it wasn't working for them. Also, it doesn't work for the homeowners to have the big bathtub taking up the majority of the real estate in their bathroom because they wanted a big, luxurious shower. So now we have the best of both worlds. I swapped that floor plan so that way we could give the major real estate square footage to the shower, and then we cozied in the tub. And that way we have everything that the homeowner and the family want. When Kate and I started on our design exploration day, we came across this gorgeous piece of onyx from Artistic Tile. And she was really taken with it. And so I started to create a design where we could use it and feature it. So what I designed was actually backlighting this onyx because onyx is translucent in certain areas of the stone. It's a very soft stone, so it's perfect for the niche. So we made the niche extra large so that we could showcase that. And that makes this very neutral bathroom just a showstopper in this shower. So this bathroom has so many amazing features, and I just love pouring all of these design details in because I do that for every project, and most of the clients pull some of them out. But John and Kate really kept all of these in and kept adding to them. So I can't wait to show you the toilet. I can't wait to show you the vanity, and I can't wait to show you that amazing tub because it's surrounded by this gorgeous porcelain. Let's go check it out. So the cabinets in here are made of walnut, and it's something I designed to make the angles in this bathroom work. We really needed to use a custom cabinet in this space because I wanted the cabinets to be cantilevered and floating to give the illusion of more space in a smaller bathroom. And then I got to light it with the Haven LED tape lighting, which just looks so gorgeous and romantic and really creates the most beautiful ambiance for the bathtub soak for Kate. I also love this cabinet finish. It's a walnut, so it just adds that little bit of warmth, which is really needed with all of the porcelain that I've packed in here. So we're balancing that glamour with that warmth, and that's why it feels so wonderful. John loved the walnut cabinets so much that he decided to go ahead and tackle my design for this piece behind the toilet. This just adds another piece of walnut and warmth when you walk in, and it adds that design element, and we just really thought that we could take it to the next level, and I love his craftsmanship. John, you knocked it out of the park with that. This bathroom was a really big challenge for my design brain. There were so many amazing design details, and I needed to balance all of the textures and the patterns and the glamour and the warmth and the finishes so that it didn't look like Vegas. And I think it came together beautifully. But I worked and spent so much brain time thinking about this bathroom for so many months as we created this vision and this mood board. And so when I finally got it right and we had figured out every last detail, Then I knew that we could start construction and we could pull this off beautifully. John and Kate decided to go with the Kohler toilet. And you know I love this toilet, one of my favorites. It comes with the remote, it's got all the little tricks and luxuries, and I just think it's one of the best toilets. I have one in my own home and I am spoiled. We decided to go with a trough sink in this bathroom because it's a larger space, but it has a lot of angles and I couldn't change that in the floor plan. So we opted for the trough sink because it's actually a space saver, but yet 2 people can still use the sink at the same time. I love the Brizo faucets that we used in this bathroom. Brizo is made by Delta and it has a gorgeous gold finish. And then we've paired it with this sconce from Renovation hardware to give this space a little bit more length. And then I flanked that sconce with 2 larger capsule-shaped mirrors, again, to give us that height and the illusion of more space. So check out this awesome cabinet toilet paper storage. Look at this. We had this little tiny space. I didn't really know what to do with it, but I didn't want it to go unused. So now it's toilet paper storage. How awesome is that? And the toilet is right behind here. So form plus function. So here are these amazing porcelain panels I was telling you about. They are from Rex. And I adore these large porcelain panels because there's no grout lines. It is clean free. So nobody has to worry about messes and grout and staining and yuckiness. The porcelain panels are a game changer. Plus, look at how glamorous this looks. And if the kids are splashing in the bathtub, the walls will not be damaged. The other thing that I think is absolutely beautiful is the chandelier that's above. And that just crowns the tub. And I normally try to get a light fixture above the tub because it just really is like icing on the cake. It's such a beautiful design moment. The other thing that I want to do is give a little shout out to the plumber here, Jamie Frank. You did an awesome job on all of the plumbing, and a lot of it was a tight fit. I know it was not easy. And the countertop is absolutely gorgeous, and that is by Cliff from Elevated Finishes. He did a gorgeous design because of course we asked him for an oversized edge, and he had to work with that trough sink. So really tricky design situations, and I'm so lucky to have wonderful contractors that helped pull my vision into this beautiful reality. I also used an oversized Rex tile on the floor, and we took that into the shower. There is 0 curb here. That really feels seamless. In the shower, Jamie helped us with some body sprays, and that was something that was important to the homeowners because we wanted to position those body sprays in a spot that really hits their aches and pains. So when you're putting a body spray in your shower, go ahead and target that really sore spot on your back because then you get physical therapy in your shower. We also have a handheld over on the other side. That's great for shaving legs, washing kids, and also for cleaning that bathroom. And then when you want to take a shower and you don't want to wash your hair, you just move that shower head down a little bit and you can go ahead and shower and keep everything dry up top. We have a rain head in here because the homeowner loved it and actually the kids wanted it. They think it's really cool. One of the things that I love about working with this family is that I got to know them during this project, and they're very special to me because we basically collaborated on the birth of a bathroom. It's like a little design baby, and we really pushed the limits of the design and the colors and the patterns and the textures and the finishes. And I'm so excited for them to have this bathroom. Thank you so much for touring this bathroom with me, and cheers to being happier at home.